Muthenya uria uretereirwo ni a Kenya ingi ni ukinyire umuthi wa gukorwo makirurungana mucii munene wa Nairobi niguo gutatia thogora wa iguru wa muturire. Mutongoria wa Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga agitongoria mirurungano ino igite giki no kiambiririo na thengi wa kuhurana ndogo ya guita maithori ni maabitha borithi na koguo marikoragwo makirurungana umuthi wa mwambiririo nginyagia ria thirikari igukorwo ikigarura maundu mamwe. Mwandiki wa mohoro Jackson Mwaniki atinda mucii munene wa Nairobi ona thengia agutungio ndogo ya guita maithori na atuhaririria riboti ino.
Mathaini ma kiroko niguo Kenya kuma ituri-ini ciothe cia Kenya marokire kururungana thiini wa mucii munene wa Nairobi. O mundu ena birigikano mehaririirie kurika thiini wa mucii munene wa Nairobi. Atongoria matiganite kuma ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance na manyitanira na arumiriri yao mehaririirie kururungana ni kiria makoretwo magiteta ni thogora wa iguru wa muturire kwambatira. Ona gukire uguo ni kwiyumiriria ndugamano na njukanirira gatagati ka maabitha a borithi undu uria ucungiriirie atongoria mweta mutongoria wa aria ingi thiini wa bunge ya Senate Opiyo Wandayi gatagati ka atongoria angi guikio ngono ni kurehe kiagago undu uria atongoria matiganite mateanirie na kuga mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto arahuthira maabitha a borithi kwagagia muingi undu umwe na Kenya.
It's about every Kenyan who has found the cost of living unbearable, including even those who voted for UDA, the very few that voted for UDA. They are also suffering. The police officers themselves are suffering. And so it is a big shame that police officers are taking up arms against people who are fighting for them.
I want to condemn the arbitrary arrest of our leaders. And as we speak, our minority leader, Honorable Wandayi, has been taken to Kiambu. We don't know what they want to do to him at Kiambu. Talked about not using, misusing and abusing the police. But what are we seeing as at now?
Riu abunge aya kuma mwaho wa Azimio makirugama na murugamo umwe makiuga matigutigaga gutabania mirurungano matira mumaya mothe no kiambiriria nginyagia ndumiriri ikorwo igikinyira president na akorwo agitacokia makinya.
These demonstrations will continue until the message gets home.
That this is just the beginning. We shall not relent. We are coming. This is just the beginning. I want to tell you that what we are planning, because today is just a rehearsal, what we are planning is better imagined than experienced. We will be holding demonstrations on a weekly basis.
Mathaini ma thaa inyanya na nuthu cia miaraho mutongoria wa Azimio Raila Odinga arumirirwo ni atongoria angi macomoka thiini wa mukawa-ini wa Serena na indi thutha wa kuingira ngari maabitha a borithi mamahura na tear gas undu uria ucungiriirie kwehera mucii munene wa Nairobi na kuhungura matura matiganite. Odinga akirugamira matura matiganite kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ta Eastleigh, Kamukunji gatagati ka matura mangi matiganite akiuga o muthenya wa mwambiririo ni kurikoragwo na thiguku kuri ya Kenya na kuria marikoragwo makirurungana nginyagia kahinda-ini karia thirikari igetikira kunyihanyihia thogora wa iguru wa muturire akiuga giki no kiambiriria kia wiyathi kuri ya Kenya.
Tutaendelea, mambo bado, mko tayari vijana? Tatu ijayo tunarudi town, maandamano tena na tena, sawa mpaka gharama ya unga irudi chini.
Gatagati ka maundu mangi maria makoretwo makimenereria ni mutaratara mweru uria urahuthika hari kwandikithia makomishon eru a kamiti ya mihaka na ithurano guku bururi-ini IEBC makienda makorwo magikuruhanio kuhingurwo gwa sava cia githurano kinene kiria twiriga gutabania mweri-ini wa kanana undu umwe na guikurukia thogora wa muturire thi na uria ukoretwo ukihinyiriria a Kenya.
Nataka musikie sababu gani tulitangaza siku ya leo iwe siku ya likizo na maandamano. Kwanza, gharama ya maisha imepanda sana. Na mwisho tumesema fungua saba fungua server.
Handu-inĩ ha ceceni ya Wega TV kuma gũkũ mũciĩ mũnene wa Nairobi, njĩtagwo Jackson Mwaniki.